Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. This is Alex from Allxon. I'm so excited to join this Jetson Partner Day and to share Allxon remote device management solution with you. In this session, I'll be sharing all the tips that every business in the Edge AI industry should know. It doesn't matter whether you are managing 30 Edge AI devices or 3,000 Edge AI devices. You want to make sure you are getting it done right. Especially if you are a system integrator, or if you are a managed service provider, or if you are an engineer who is managing device on your own. You may or may not have a remote device management platform at all. So what are you going to do if there is a new way of managing Edge AI devices when operation system crash or is not responsive at all? Here, welcome to Beyond Conventional Remote Monitoring and Management. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Allxon swiftDR auto-ban solutions. Next, I would like to invite our Customer Success Manager, Danny, to introduce more about Allxon solutions.
IDC predicts that by 2025, there will be 55.7 billion connected devices worldwide. The management of large volumes of devices has become an important ingredient for IoT success, and projections for the IoT device management market have been encouraging. Time to time from NVIDIA Jetson Developer Forum, we found that there are many discussions about how to effectively and remotely monitor Jetson platform, which has been installed in different fields in different places. So if there are hundreds of Jetson platforms deployed for different projects in real life, the need for remote management and monitoring platform is not a must to have requirement to end users. From the collaboration with system integrators and managed service providers from different regions and different applications, we learned, especially after the pandemic, that one open remote device management platform is a must-to-have solutions that they are looking for. The platform not only saves cost on on-site support, but also protect people from the risk of on-site support. Allxon Device Management Solution has many features available for having our partners being able to monitor and manage Jetson platform remotely. And per our cooperation experience with partners, there are 4 major functions that are used most frequently in the AIoT field. The first one is out-of-band power cycling. It allows system integrator to perform power on, power off, and power reset of Jetson systems remotely for disaster recovery. Next, secure and remote Jetpack recovery lets system integrator to flash Jetson BSP remotely. Automatically upload and download system logs allows system integrators to upload and keep logs on Allxon Cloud, and also download for further performance analysis. And all these log collections can be done at once or with pre-scheduling. The last one is OTA. Time to time, there will be firmware, application software, or AI model need to be upgraded. Allxon DMS provides a very intuitive version control and installation over the air. There are many different types of non-NVIDIA Edge device in the market, which they also claim that they have remote device monitoring and management solutions. However, if we look detailed into all these devices, it can also support API to the system integrator or managed service provider. The devices they don't have any end cloud services, which is something that system integrator or managed service provider need. And with the implementation of Allxon Device Management Services on the NVIDIA Jetson platform, now our partners can not only have powerful Jetson platform for AIoT applications, but also a complete in-band and out-of-band remote platform for improving operations efficiency. So as you can see, with Allxon DMS, now the SI or MSP, they will be able to monitor devices with software watchdog, update AI model remotely with OTA function, get alert when any issue happens, and also remotely control devices. Moreover, Allxon out-of-band solutions enable the integration with other MCU, so users can get MCU information such as health status or system performance. Allxon DMS is a serverless solution and supports public cloud architecture. This is a total solution we offer to our customers. Many people think IoT application is for consumer market. In fact, most of IoT applications are being used in enterprise industry. Connected devices will be all around the world for different applications. From education to manufacturing, most of the devices are connected to the cloud, and the engineers have to operate manufacturing equipment remotely. Healthcare, logistics, fleet management, smart city, smart retail. As you know, there are more and more self-service stores are being deployed and set up all around the world. As more and more edge AI devices deployed, the first challenge that system integrator face is how to well manage these devices. Allxon is an independent software vendor, and our solution is that software as a service. Allxon acts as an ecosystem vendor. We work with independent hardware vendors closely, trying to understand all the detail of hardware performance and hardware designs. That's also one of Allxon's key advantages in this industry. We are located in Taiwan, and we work with all these Taiwanese hardware vendors closely. We also work with other independent software vendors. For example, the software watchdog functions on Allxon DMS helps to monitor different software performance and send alert to users if there is any software issue. So together with hardware vendor and software vendor, we provide a total solution to our end customers, which are system integrator and managed service provider. To system integrator and managed service provider, we know how they care about the efficiency of deployment process, how to save the cost on technical support, and most importantly, how to make sure these devices are performing as expectation under the warranty agreement they have with their customers. So Allxon is a true hardware and software total solution vendor for system integrator and managed service provider. Allxon is headquartered in Taiwan with the regional office in Japan. We have more than 35 experienced talent. Together with our partners, we envision a world of open and optimized business operations. Allxon builds an efficient and open device management platform to empower business solutions, from IaaS, PaaS, to SaaS. At each stage, Allxon sought to leverage our expertise in hardware to provide users with the best software integration and service. Allxon Device Management Solution covers three major solutions: Allxon Remote Monitoring and Management, Allxon swiftDR series, and Allxon Plugin. To Allxon Remote Monitoring and Management, we provide system performance, monitoring with alert feature, over-the-air software, AI model update, and nevertheless, we have overview dashboard according to system integrator and management service provider's preference. To Allxon swiftDR series, our pan-solving solution is based on out-of-band module, which is capable to let users to turn on, off, or reset Jetson platform remotely. This solution supports both public cloud and edge network architectures. And to Allxon Plugin, because we know that it's not likely to understand all pain points or requirements from different AIoT applications. As a result, Allxon developed plugin which over SDK is the bridge for developers to link information from Jetson platform to Allxon Cloud Portal. So developers can plan the customized commands from cloud to edge Jetson platform, or bring the local information and show it in Allxon Portal. So in summary, Allxon service include in-band service and out-of-band service. As of the in-band service, we support in-band reboot, remotely take screenshot, and get device log feature. So the edge system will upload logs to Allxon Portal automatically. And we also have alert notification. So if there's anything happen, the system integrator or managed service provider will get the notification from Allxon Portal. And to out-of-band service, the first key function we support is power cycling. This feature is a disaster recovery tool to system integrators, and it is quite important for AIoT applications. An out-of-band module also have an interface for system integrator to connect different sensors to out-of-band module. So for example, the out-of-band module can detect the temperature or the humidity of the environment of Jetson platform. It can also detect the battery life or to make intrusion detection possibility for system integrators.
Thank you, Demi. I believe your presentation could help our audience understanding more about the value proposition of Allxon solutions.
Here, I would like to share you some use cases. Did you know that the first action that 90% of on-site supporting for non-responsive devices is rebooting, and 70% of devices will be back to normal after power cycling?
The next one is a very interesting use case, which is in smart farming. The system integrator provides solution for daily cow health monitoring, and the end customer integrated AI into their dairy cow health monitoring by using edge device to recognize individual cow, to analyze behavior, to identify health status and reproduction status, and also to detect environmental change to make sure health status of each cow is in normal stage. Moreover, the collected visual information will be translated into animal nutrition data. So what Allxon solution provide in this interesting scenario is saving maintenance cost. By using Allxon swiftDR out-of-band module and integrated to these IHV Jetson devices, the system integrators can schedule daily power cycling from Allxon Portal, which means it can turn on the platform every morning and turn off the platform every evening. Next, Smart Retail. Application is for real-time AI to increase operational efficiency. With ordering system, what customers need to do is just simply slide their tray under the camera in just 1.5 seconds. The AI checkout system will automatically identify all items without cashier involved, saving the operational cost. In this scenario, IHV provides Jetson TX2 platform. And what pain point does Allxon need to solve in this scenario? By time to time, the software will be non-responsive due to unknown reasons. To ensure the stability of each Jetson platform when an unexpected system crash happened, with Allxon swiftDR out-of-band enable, system integrator can remotely reset platform to solve the problem. It can also do the scheduling power cycling like the previous use case. All in all, the integration of Allxon DMS can improve the operational efficiency in this scenario. Next, I would like to share Allxon technology and Jetson capabilities. In summary, among all Allxon device management solution functions, there are 5 major features for NVIDIA Jetson platform being requested most from any system integrator and managed service provider. We divided these 5 major features into 2 different categories. The first is for in-band functions, and the other is for out-of-band functions. About in-band functions, we have OTA function, alert functions, and collecting logs functions for AIoT applications. OTA functions allow system integrators and managed service providers to update or upgrade the software package or AI model remotely and timely. Alert function help system integrator and managed service provider continuously monitor performance of Jetson platforms for ensuring the stability of every edge Jetson platform deployed in the field. As for collecting log functions, it helps system integrator to upload and the system logs from edge to Allxon portals. So system integrators can download and they can double check the logs remotely. If there is any issue happen, they can trace back and try to find the root cause. For second category, the out-of-band functions, we support out-of-band power cycling and to activate Jetson recovery mode. Out-of-band power cycling comes with Allxon swiftDR OOB enabler, which needs to be embedded into Jetson platform. And then system integrators and managed service providers can turn on, off, or reset the system when they find the system crashed or the software is not responsive. Especially for system integrator, these features can act as disaster recovery solution as well, and that is quite important from point of view of operational technology. Next, to activate Jetson recovery mode, Allxon team is working with NVIDIA. The pain point we are trying to solve is that in the past, if updating BSP is required, system integrator has to dispatch technician to the site to trigger Jetson recovery mode and then update the BSP. But now, with Allxon out-of-band function, remotely activate the Jetson recovery mode become possible. Now, I would like to take you on an Allxon DMS tour and experience the state-of-art power on and off function. First, log into the Allxon portal. Locate devices in the field to the left of the Allxon portal, and find the device name of the OOB service enabler. After clicking on it and entering, scroll down the screen and find commands, and select the power off system command. Set a pause to 8 seconds by entering 8000 into the field, and click execute. After 8 seconds, the Allxon OOB service enabler will send the power off command to the remote device through the portal, and it can be seen from the screen that the power off action has been executed and completed for the power of the remote device. Next, return to the Allxon portal and select the power on system command. Set a pause to 1 second by entering 1000 in the field. Then click execute. After 1 second, the portal will send the power on command to the OOB service enabler, and the command will be sent to the remote device through the OOB service enabler. It can be seen from the screen that the power of the remote device has been switched on and the system is already executing. This concludes how the Allxon OOB service enabler can help perform the power off and on controls for remote devices. Allxon device management solution can be deployed on all Jetson platforms: Jetson Nano, Jetson Xavier NX, Jetson AGX Xavier, Jetson TX2. Once system integrator install Allxon DMS agent into these Jetson platforms, they will find the solution is easy to integrate. The portal and all other functions processes are intuitive to use. So how to cooperate with Allxon for empowering edge AI system solutions? Allxon provides different solution package for every type of partners, from system integrator, managed service provider, independent hardware vendors, to independent software vendors. If you are a system integrator or managed service provider, Allxon provides provisioning, over-the-air, remote monitoring and management, disaster recovery, alert management, AI model update, log collection, and we also provide custom service support. With these features, system integrator and managed service provider can save more time and money. They can also understand more about status of devices at the field, and they can also deploy and manage all these devices on Allxon portal. And if you are an independent hardware vendor, Allxon provides hardware integration solutions for disaster recovery, software integration solutions for remote monitoring and management. Because we know that independent hardware vendor has to create value-added service on top of their devices. They also need to offer solutions for their customers to repair devices in a more efficient way. If you are an independent software vendor, Allxon provides over-the-air update, remote monitoring and management, disaster recovery, and also customized service support. From our experience with independent software vendor, we understand how much they want seamless integration, and we understand how much they want to empower their software platform for real-time device monitoring. And we also know how much they need to update software automatically and remotely.
Alright, so thanks for staying with me. By now, you should have an idea on what Allxon RMM offers, what the application scenarios are, and what collaboration opportunities are available to you. Here's my contact, and feel free to connect with me for any business opportunities or market insights, or simply just to say hi. Lastly, we would like to offer you ecosystem partner a special promotions. Here's a 3 months free of charge promotion that unlock and give you all the access to Allxon DMS. Scan the QR code here to sign up an Allxon DMS account, and I hope we can ease your operation problems with a more efficient and cost-effective way. And again, this is Alex from Allxon. Hope to connect with you soon.